You can have the perfect trip planned, and one busted wheel can still ruin your whole mood. So let's fix that before you ever leave the house. You're about to see my top 6 travel luggage picks. Count it down from good but annoying to buy it and stop thinking about it, with the real stuff that shows up after you've actually dragged these through airports, sidewalks, and that one hotel with the world's longest hallway. Stick around because number 1 is the one I trust with a tight connection and a bad attitude from the airline. 6. Traveler's Choice Polycarbonate Hardside Trunk Luggage. First impression, this thing looks like it's ready for an expedition. It's a trunk-style suitcase, so it's deeper and more boxy than the usual clamshell. And honestly, that shape can be a blessing if you pack bulky stuff. Jackets, shoes, gifts, a hairdryer you swear you'll use. You know the kind of trip. I rolled it around for a few days of test packing and airport-style abuse, and the capacity is the headline. The polycarbonate shell has that hard case confidence vibe. It doesn't feel paper thin, and it handles normal scuffs fine, but it does pick up marks. Not catastrophic, just the usual, "Oh cool, my luggage now has a personality," scratches. The corners are where I pay attention with hard shells, and while it held up, I didn't get that tank-like reassurance you get from more premium builds. The wheels are okay, like they'll do the job on smooth airport floors, but once you hit rough sidewalk or those evil tile grooves, you start having to guide it more than you want. And on a heavier load, I noticed it can feel a little top-heavy because of the trunk form factor. Not a deal breaker, but if you like your suitcase to just obediently follow you like a pet, this one needs a firmer hand. Inside, the trunk layout is practical if you're a stack and compress packer. You can build layers, and it's easier to keep things from exploding open when you unzip it in a tiny hotel room. Number 5. Travelpro Platinum Elite Softside Expandable Checked Luggage. This is the suitcase that makes you feel like you have your life together. Soft side, classy look, and that "this person travels" energy. When I tested it, the first thing I noticed was the fabric and structure feel premium. It stands up on its own well, it doesn't slump like cheaper soft bags, and the zippers feel confident. The packing experience is where it shines. Soft side luggage just has that forgiving nature. Overstuff it a little, zip it anyway, no drama. The expansion is useful when you're coming home with extra stuff, and the interior layout is genuinely practical. It's easy to separate outfits from laundry, and it's easier to access something quickly than with a hard shell. Now let me be a little picky, because for the price, I'm allowed to be. This thing can get heavy. Like, before you even pack it, you're already spending some of your airline weight limit. If you're the kind of traveler who always ends up playing the check-in counter shuffle, moving shoes into a backpack while pretending you're calm, yeah, you'll feel that. Also, soft side always trades off a bit of protection. It handles normal travel fine, but if you're checking fragile souvenirs, a hard shell gives more peace of mind. And while the wheels roll nicely, I didn't find them dramatically better than the cheaper Travelpro option coming up. It's smoother, sure, but not double the price smoother. Number 4. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Soft Side Expandable Luggage. Okay, this is where things start getting really practical. The Maxlite 5 is the luggage version of a reliable friend who shows up on time and doesn't make things complicated. When I tested it, the biggest win was weight. You pick it up and go, "Oh, that's it?" That matters more than people think, especially on airlines that love strict weight limits. It rolls easily, and it's the kind of rolling where you don't think about it. You're not fighting it. You're not doing that awkward wrist twist trying to keep it straight. It just moves. On rougher surfaces, it's not magical, but for the price and weight, the handling is impressively chill. Packing is straightforward. The soft side body gives you flexibility, and the expansion is actually usable without making the bag feel like a bulging, overstuffed pillow. The compartments are sensible, not fussy. It's not trying to impress you with 20 tiny pockets you'll forget exist. It's more like, here's space, use it, like an adult. Durability-wise, it's not a luxury build, so if you're checking it constantly on brutal routes, it will age. You'll see fabric wear eventually, you'll see scuffs, and it won't look brand new forever. But nothing about it felt fragile during testing. It feels like it's designed for real travel, not just looking good in your hallway. If you want a lightweight, checked option that's easy to live with and doesn't punish you at the scale, this is a very smart buy. It's not flashy, it's just right. 3. LUGGEX carry-on luggage. This one surprised me in a good way. The LUGGEX carry-on has that hard shell look with an aluminum-style frame vibe, and visually it punches above its price. When I rolled it around, it had that satisfying click-clack authority that makes you feel like you're headed somewhere important, even if you're just going to visit your cousin for the weekend. The shell feels sturdy, and it handles daily bumps without feeling flimsy. It's the kind of suitcase you don't baby. Toss it into the trunk, slide it into the overhead, and you're not immediately worried you just created a crack. The corners and edges feel thoughtfully reinforced, and it doesn't flex in a way that makes you nervous. Wheel performance is solid for a carry-on. You can do the one-finger push on smooth floors, and it tracks straight enough that you're not constantly correcting it. On carpet, you'll feel some resistance, but that's basically every carry-on ever. The handle felt stable too, which matters because a wobbly handle makes a suitcase feel cheap instantly. Inside, it's that classic hard shell organization. 2 halves, straps, zip divider, clean and predictable. For carry-on travel, that's perfect. You can build a neat packing system fast, and it stays neat. And if you're someone who likes to open your bag and instantly see where everything is, this layout makes your brain relax a little. 2. SwissGear 7366 Signature. SwissGear is one of those brands that feels like it was built for people who actually move through airports for a living. The 7366 Signature hits a sweet spot. Hard shell protection, good packing space, and that practical design that doesn't scream for attention. Testing it, the first thing I noticed was how sorted it feels, like it's ready for work. The Hardside build gives you better crush protection than Softside, and it handles the usual airline abuse well. Scuffs happen, sure, but it doesn't feel delicate. If you've ever watched your suitcase come down the baggage belt like it just survived a bar fight, you'll appreciate that extra shell confidence. The wheels are smooth and predictable, not just smooth in the brand new on tile way, but smooth when the suitcase is actually loaded. That matters. A lot of bags roll fine empty, then turn into a shopping cart with a bad wheel once you pack them. This one stayed composed. Organization is well thought out. You get that structured interior that makes it easy to separate items, and the expansion gives you options without turning the suitcase into a balloon. It's a good balance for travelers who pack moderately heavy but still want things to stay tidy. This is the pick for people who want a dependable, good-rolling, protective suitcase that doesn't require overthinking. It's not the cheapest, but it feels worth it the moment you're speed walking to your gate. Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Expandable Luggage. This is the one I keep coming back to because it just works. The Samsonite Omni PC has that instantly recognizable textured shell, and that texture is not just for looks. When I tested it, it did a better job hiding the everyday scratches and scuffs that make other shiny hard shells look beat up after 2 trips. With this, you get that still looks decent factor longer. It rolls the way you want luggage to roll. Stable, smooth, and not dramatic. You know that moment when you're weaving through people and your suitcase starts wobbling like it wants to escape into the crowd? Yeah, this one behaves. It follows your lead even when it's packed heavy, and the handle feels sturdy in a way that makes the whole suitcase feel higher quality. Packing is easy and consistent. The interior layout is simple but effective, and the expansion is clutch when your trip ends and suddenly you have snacks, souvenirs, or that "I couldn't resist it" jacket. It closes without a wrestling match, and it keeps things compressed enough that your clothes don't turn into a mess. Protection is where it earns the top spot. For checked travel, I trust it. The shell gives you peace of mind, and the overall build feels like it was designed for the reality of baggage handling, not the fantasy version where everyone gently places suitcases down like priceless art. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.